Hello viewers, hope you are doing great. Today in this video we will talk about how you can add your name and your number on your lock screen. Like I have added here, I have added here, I have added here. In this video I will guide you 3 steps which you can follow step by step and you will find this output. So let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the drop down menu, and here you will find a focus. Just simply tap and hold this option and you will find here more modes. So we will add a new mode and we will customize this one, and we will add our name here. Like suppose if I want to add my name and my number here, I can add any number here, and I can choose any of the icon from this selection, and I will select this one and I will select customize focus. Because this option I will not use for the focus mode, I just simply wanted to list my items, like list my name on the screen. So I will just go back. Okay, so now if you drop down from here, you will find this focus. Just simply tap and hold and select your option, and then it's done. So if you go now on lock screen, you will find your name here. See this one, it is here. See this one. So this is the first option. Now the second option is simply go to your iPhone settings. So the second option is simply go to the settings, and here you will find downside, general, and about, and just name your iPhone according to your own name. So I have named my iPhone here. If you want to change, you can change it here to also your number also, like any number, and you will select OK. And from here you go back. Simply just lock this your screen, tap and hold, and go to the customize option. You will find your widget here. I will add widget. I will add this widget. Simply drag and drop. Okay, that's all. This is done. After the done, and I can see this one, this option is now available. So if you see this one, see this iPhone is having my name here, so I can use this one as a my name. So first option is this one, second option is this one. We will add another option which is somehow paid. You can see that already I have downloaded this app. This is simply the app. So what I will do is I will click here. You will find this screen in your startup and just get started. You need to purchase this one. So for this option, what you have to do is this application is paid. You see this free trial. This is for some days. Okay, this is right now paid application. So I can choose this one from here. So I can add anything here. Like this is a widget one. I can add my name here, so I can add any number. Then I will do is I will go back, save this one, text mode, to do mode. So I will save this one. Now this is saved here. I will simply go to the lock screen. This is now lock screen. I will press and hold, and I will customize this. I will add another widget. This is text widget. I will select this one. Okay, and I will cross this one, and it's done. After that, I will simply turn off and turn on. See, now again the option is here. You can see this option now, it is available. So these were the 3 options. You can use any of them. If you want to use the paid option, it's up to you. So this was for today's video. Hope you liked. See you in the next one. Peace. Hello viewers, hope you are doing great. Today in this video we will talk about how you can add your name and your number on your lock screen. Like I have added here, I have added here, I have added here. In this video I will guide you 3 steps which you can follow step by step, and you will find this output. So without further ado, we will start the video now. So let's jump straight into the video.